Welcome to Consumer Flix, your go-to channel for the latest drone tech and reviews. Helicopter. Today, we're diving into DJI Dock 3, the next-generation drone docking station that's changing the game for automated operations. From upgraded features to real-world applications, we've got all the details you need to know. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more drone news, reviews, and insights. Enhanced autonomous operations for continuous missions. DJI Dock 3. DJI Dock 3 is expected to feature improved automation, allowing drones to take off, land, and recharge with minimal human intervention. Compared to its predecessor, this version may include better AI-driven flight planning and real-time monitoring capabilities. These enhancements make it ideal for industries requiring round-the-clock aerial surveillance, such as security and infrastructure monitoring. Faster charging and improved battery management. DJI Dock 3. The new dock is rumored to introduce faster charging speeds and smarter battery optimization, reducing drone downtime. Unlike the previous model, which had longer recharge cycles, Dock 3 could support rapid power replenishment to keep missions running efficiently. This improvement would significantly benefit operations requiring frequent flights, such as emergency response and environmental surveys. Increased durability for harsh environments. DJI Dock 3. DJI Dock 3 is expected to feature a more robust weatherproof design, improving resistance to extreme temperatures, wind, and rain. The previous version was already built for outdoor deployment, but this upgrade may offer better sealing and material enhancements for greater longevity. These improvements ensure reliable performance in challenging conditions, expanding its usability across industries. Expanded compatibility with more DJI drones. DJI Dock 3. Unlike earlier versions that supported limited drone models, DJI Dock 3 is expected to offer broader compatibility with the latest DJI Enterprise drones. This could include support for upcoming Mavic and Matrice series models, increasing flexibility for users. The ability to operate multiple drone types from a single docking station would provide more versatile deployment options. Improved connectivity and real-time data transfer. DJI Dock 3. With advancements in wireless communication, DJI Dock May 3 integrate faster data transmission technologies, such as 5G or enhanced Wi-Fi capabilities. This would enable real-time streaming, cloud-based storage, and remote access to mission data more efficiently than before. These connectivity improvements would be particularly useful for industries relying on instant aerial insights, such as law enforcement and agriculture. Smaller footprint and modular design for easy deployment. DJI Dock 3. Compared to its predecessor, DJI Dock 3 is likely to have a more compact and modular design, allowing for easier transportation and setup. A streamlined structure would enable quicker deployment in remote or urban locations. This flexibility ensures that businesses and organizations can optimize drone operations without requiring extensive infrastructure changes. Advanced AI-powered flight coordination. DJI Dock 3. DJI Dock 3 is expected to feature upgraded AI algorithms for better flight path optimization and collision avoidance. Unlike its predecessor, this model may integrate machine learning to predict and adjust flight routes dynamically. These enhancements would improve efficiency in automated missions, making operations more reliable and adaptable to changing environments. Seamless integration with enterprise software. DJI Dock 3. DJI Dock 3 could offer deeper integration with industry-specific software, such as GIS mapping and security monitoring platforms. Compared to previous models, this version may support cloud-based API connections, enabling real-time data analysis and workflow automation. This improvement would make it a powerful tool for sectors like logistics, construction, and smart city management. Enhanced security and access control. DJI Dock 3. DJI Dock May 3 introduce improved security features, such as encrypted communication, biometric authentication, or advanced access controls. Compared to its predecessor, this version could offer better protection against unauthorized drone deployment and data breaches. These enhancements would be particularly beneficial for sensitive applications like government surveillance and industrial inspections. Multi-drone operation for increased efficiency. DJI Dock 3. Unlike earlier models that primarily supported single drone missions, DJI Dock 3 could enable multi-drone coordination. This would allow multiple drones to operate in shifts, covering larger areas and reducing downtime between flights. Such a feature would significantly improve efficiency for industries requiring large-scale aerial monitoring, such as agriculture and disaster response. Improved weather resistance for all-season operations. DJI Dock 3. DJI Dock 3 is expected to feature enhanced weatherproofing, making it more resilient in extreme conditions compared to its predecessor. With better heat resistance, waterproofing, and dust protection, it could operate reliably in rain, snow, or high-temperature environments. This would make it ideal for industrial applications where continuous operation is required regardless of weather conditions. Next-generation charging and battery management. DJI Dock 3. A major improvement in DJI Dock 3 could be a faster and more efficient charging system, reducing drone downtime significantly. Compared to previous models, this version may support advanced battery diagnostics, automated swapping, or even wireless charging. These upgrades would extend drone mission times and ensure that each deployment is fully powered for maximum efficiency. Conclusion. DJI Dock 3 is shaping up to be a major upgrade with improved AI coordination, enhanced security, multi-drone operation, and better weather resistance. With faster charging and seamless enterprise integration, it could revolutionize automated drone deployments across various industries. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter, what are your thoughts on the DJI Dock 3? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like. Subscribe for more in-depth drone reviews, news, and insights. See you in the next video.